Hello everyone, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. I hope you are well. Today we're going to be making a zucchini vegetable medley. And so I'm going to be using these three. I'm going to chop them up and put them in this dish. I also have my minced garlic here, some seasoning that I love. You can use salt and pepper, whatever herbs and spices you have in your cabinet. Also chili ready tomatoes. These are just diced tomatoes, guys, and so I'm going to just use that. And I'm going to use the bean of choice. This time it's going to be Great Northern beans. I use any kind of bean, but this is my go-to bean. And then since I'm a vegan, I always like to add as many vegetables as possible, so I'm going to toss in a pretty hefty amount of these mixed vegetables as well. As you can see, I've already chopped up 2 out of the 3 of zucchini, so this is going to be a nice little helping. What I do is cut off this end of this and the other end, toss that, then I just cut it down through the center of the zucchini, just like that, and then I just do half here, half here. Then all I do is take each of these and chop them into the size that the bite sizes of chunks, bite-sized chunks. I'll do my onion next. I'm gonna go ahead and start with a half of this onion first. There we go. Just to see where we are. And for the onion, you can actually have them also in big chunks as well, along with the zucchini. So I'm just gonna chop this like this. And I love onion. Some people don't like onion. If you don't like onion, you can leave it out, or just add your own spin on it. Because this is a vegetable medley with the main vegetable being zucchini, but you can change out the vegetables with what your family enjoys or what you like. All right, to this pan, we're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. I like to put a nice little trickling here, probably like 2 or 3 tablespoons. It's a lot of vegetables. So basically I'm wanting to saute the vegetables first. So let's let that oil get a little hot. We're gonna take all these beautiful vegetables and add them to the frying pan here. Onion. To this pan, I'm gonna add my mixed vegetables. And it may seem like a lot, but this is all gonna cook down. This is why I'm adding so many vegetables. All right, now, so I'm gonna give this a quick stir so the frozen vegetables and the zucchini can all start to soften and cook together. So I'm gonna let this cook with the top on. All right, so this is on medium-high heat. This is after 10 minutes. As you can see, that steam is coming up through the top vent right there. That means these vegetables are really softening and steaming. Look at that. So they are ready to go to the next step after 10 minutes at medium-high heat. All right, here I am rinsing my beans because I do not use that salt water in the can. All right, next I'm gonna add my chili ready tomatoes. You can use diced tomatoes in the can as well. I'm also going to add my garlic here. You might think that's a lot of garlic, but it's a lot of vegetables. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of garlic. And at this time, you can also add your herbs and spices, your seasonings. If you have garlic powder, onion powder, whatever you like to add, you can add your spices at this time. And then we're going to mix all of this up. And you see I turned down the stove to about a little under medium high. So this is going to have to simmer together a bit. And I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. You can see a little broth is forming right here, but I want that broth to stretch. So So I'm gonna, as you can see, I'm gonna add some more fresh water. I'd say that was about a cup of water. But it also depends on how much vegetables you use, so you can decide, be the judge of that, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and merge this water I added, mix it up into the vegetables, just like this. And now I'm gonna let this go ahead and simmer again, and then we'll season to taste again. So this is what you should see after you let it kind of blend all the ingredients together. And I'm just going to cover this up and then again turn the heat down low, let it simmer, and then it's going to become really, really nice. Now, a quick tip, if you want to season something like this, you can also use a little bit of soy sauce. So I did add a little soy sauce, and it just adds a really nice flavor to the spices that I already have in there. All right, so after 10 minutes of letting this simmer, this is what you should see. As you can see, all the vegetables and everything has blended together. Really, really nice. So now it's time to plate it up. Now I made some jasmine rice here. You can see it's really nice and fluffy. And I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna make sure I grab a lot of everything. Just like that. Then I'm gonna ladle that right over my rice. Making sure I get more of that tasty, tasty broth. That's the key to this. And then ladle that over just like that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to be diving into this. I'll talk to you guys soon. God bless. Bye-bye.